The concern is even greater in certain regions of the country where the risk may be concentrated or the courts may be particularly plaintiff friendly. The liability issue in action over claims arises from indemnification agreements, which are common in business contracts in construction and many other industries. Employers know that workers' compensation law generally limits an employee's ability to recover expenses from his or her employer up to the statutory work comp limits benefits. These laws, however, generally do not bar a worker from suing a third party if the worker's employer agreed to indemnify that third party through a business contract. However, liability can end up reverting to the employer, not the third party. This boomerang effect of third-party action over claims is worrisome to employers because insurers may exclude coverage for such claims in CGL policies. To further complicate matters, those exclusions may not use the term action over, but may instead use misleading or generic language such as injuries to subcontract workers. It is possible under these circumstances for businesses to face both workers' comp and commercial general liability claims for the same underlying injury and have no coverage for the CGL portion. Insurance professionals need to understand this complex scenario and how the insurance markets are reacting to it to make sure that their insureds have protection. Anatomy of an action over claim. Businesses in many types of industries use subcontractors to perform works on their premises. The construction and oil and gas industries are two examples where subcontractor agreements are customary. Any business that agrees to indemnify another business or as a subcontractor, however, may be exposed to action over claims. Consider the following example of how an action over claim works. A maintenance company contracts to provide services to property owner, signs an indemnification agreement that requires the employer to indemnify the owner for claims against the owner related to the employer's work at the premises.